For 40 years, we've secured Australian homes with Australian-made locks. From the screen door to the patio, they're used every day and built to last. Tough, durable, reliable. Made start to finish in Melbourne from Tasmanian zinc and installed Australia-wide, our locks are manufactured to protect not just our own homes, but our community too. Because we think about security so others don't have to. We cast, powder coat, assemble and test our locks so Aussies can leave their homes with confidence. And while we've been perfecting our craft for the past 40 years, we're always looking for new ways to make life easier for our installers, our customers and Australian families. For decades, we've worked hard to create hard-working products that help keep Australian homes secure. And that's something we're really proud of. Celebrating 40 years of Australian manufacturing.